Okay, 31, 57. I'm on the internet. It's selling all the way. It's 35, 7.5. Now 37, 15, 100 down, 30, 600, down, 7, 708, 38, 09, 09 on 4, 38, 39, 9, 4. Now 4, 4, 39, 4, 4, 4, 4, down 4,000 on it. 9, 4, sold 3,900.
Yes.
And it is 1171. You want one?
Alright, so here's the car in the distance. Wanted to surprise you guys. Obviously you can tell, 2 kidney grills in the front. It's a BMW. Hopefully it's not a BMW.
Отпускай. Все, отпускай. Давай, давай, прямо как есть. Прямо. Да, прямо потихонечку. Давай, потихонечку. Давай.
Got this airbag right in my face. Ooh, I hear them turbos, bruh. Spooling.
Airbag right here too.
Yeah. I'm sorry, bro. Driving your car for the first time.
It's all good.
Just trying to drive it off a block before we get into our crib.
Smooth.
Little BMW smoothness.
Yeah.
Mom's outside waiting. If you want, you could get out maybe. Just get in.
Like the color? Yeah. Are you good? Go.
Alright, so I had these Beamer plates from my last BMW I had. It's gonna work out perfect for my little bro. Just put them on temporary. So we're gonna get the plates installed, cut off the airbags so they're not in our way, and pretty much just kind of try to clean up the interior, get the car washed at least the first time since it's been from the auction, and kind of give you a little walk around and show you guys how the car looks and what we actually picked up from the auction. So let's get it started. Man, this bag is kind of tough.
Protects your life.
Huh?
It protects your life.
That's true. Unless it's the recalled one, then it kills your life. But yeah, we're gonna cut these bags off, so simply they're not gonna be in our way until we get the replacement airbags. But yeah. Alright, so we upgraded to a razor. Works a lot better than those little scissors. Just try not to cut the roof, trim, or the leather seats, obviously. Oh, my finger. Just kidding. Little bro is about to take it out for the first time. You know how to put it in reverse, right?
Yeah.
First time driving manual. Hopefully he doesn't hit the... Huh? Yeah, you're all good everywhere. I want to make sure you're in reverse.
I am.
Okay. Yeah, just easy out. Like nothing. I don't know if BMWs are like that, but only one, I guess. Nah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this one's burned out. Reverse light. A little more. Perfect. Yep. Just close all the windows. The stand came through.
For buy right here.
Is it clean title?
Clean salad. It look clean.
Looks clean to me. So here's the car. Do a quick walk around. The sun is actually setting, but whatever. Just kind of do what we can. Didn't do any crazy detailing. Obviously, just the first wash. Even though we just got it, we still want to clean it up, have it nice in the garage. But there's a scratch right there. What we noticed. There's a dent right here. Nothing crazy. The windows look super clean even on the inside, even though we just got it.
Go straight to smog and DMV.
Pretty much. I mean, I'll show you the airbags. We just cut them for now, but we'll have to replace them. The steering wheel. And right there, the headliner. So we're gonna decide what we're gonna do with this headliner. Either replace it or try to just keep it like this. It depends on my bro right there, what he wants. But yeah, 60, like 2,000 miles, 6-speed. Seats are a little bit dirty, but that's their light seats. We're gonna wash them up. There's no tears, they look all nice. Interior color actually looks nice, even with this wood grain. I like it. I'd keep the wood grain, but again, I don't know if he's gonna want to. Okay, so black trim right there. The wheels in the back are like 40% tread. The front is pretty much brand new. I checked, so probably like 90 or so. So back to this part right here. This is it right here. That's all. Headlight is good. Hood is good. We were worrying about that, but not even gonna need any paint, as you can see. So we're gonna remove this bumper, see what's under there, but it looks like there shouldn't be anything crazy. The definition of a fender bender right there. But as soon as those airbags popped and deployed, the car got totaled right away, so that's understandable. So there it is, you guys. Alright, so we're just gonna end the video right now. If you could show him the codes or whatever. Vehicle info, the status.
Check control.
Right there, yeah. So it says battery charge level low and restraint system malfunction. You click that one and it says passenger restraint system. So obviously we have this top airbag blown for the current and this one. So we're gonna replace those And we're gonna see if we're gonna need to do the pre-tensioners and the belts. So if we don't have to do that, then that'll be okay. And there you go, the battery's already dying pretty much. So I'm gonna wrap it up. This is gonna be the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. That's his new car right there.
Yes, sir.
What are your plans for this thing? You got any?
Big plans.
Big plans?
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. He just said it. You heard it from the man. So, for Fun Bros, we out.